Good morning, everyone. It's August 30th of 2023, and I appreciate you taking the time to join me this morning. We are going to talk about full time frame continuity because I see a lot of traders out there who insist on fighting full time frame continuity. What is it? Well, I'm glad you asked. So, as many of you know, Rob Smith, the creator of the Strat, was one to promote full time frame continuity. And basically, what he was getting at is that on the time frames that you use, and whatever they are, if it's green, they're taking the bid. If it's red, then guess what? They're selling it. And I know for a lot of you that seems too simple. But for me, it really did help me out a lot once I learned how to apply it. And so with that, I began back testing it, and I noticed that what he said was so true. And so I was the jerk out there who was always trying to fight full time frame continuity. And sooner or later, what happens is that as you begin to invest your time into the market, and you begin to study, you begin to understand that not only is that a real thing, but how you can improve. And I think, any one of us out there, we are always looking for a way to improve. And we call that an edge. And once you get that edge and you understand it, you you'll never go back. And so for a lot of the traders that are out there right now learning the strat, I don't know if it's ego or they're confused or or I don't know, I'm at a loss for words. But so many insist on trading something in conflict because it's like they want to prove to the world that they can do it. Um, as many of you know in the Discord channel, I teach people how to see the big picture. And for the big picture, that is a very simple process. If you look at my screen here, this is the year to the left. Going to the right, this is my quarter chart. This is my month. This is my week to the right. And then this very big one is a 2 year daily chart. And I like to see the big picture, so that is why I like to do this. Now, for this example here, Abercrombie and Fitch, A&F, you can see a couple of things here. First of all, this is solid green, the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the quarter, and the year. This is in full time frame continuity. Green, 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 green. And you can see that reflection right here. They are buying this stock on every pullback. So here we had earnings and we gapped up. We tried to go higher. They pulled it back. So just keep in mind when they pulled this back right here, let me drill down into this so you can see this. When they pulled it back on 824, 825, and 826, this D right here was red. So weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly were green, the D was red. What does that mean? That means be patient. Be patient and wait for the strat combo to set up. Because as many of you know, the strat will set up. It will go 2, 2, and here it is. Here's your reversal right here. The 2, 2 reversal above 5086. Turn this thing green, which means we now are in full time frame continuity again. And so this is a potential trade back up to 5302. That is full time frame continuity. And that is what it'll do for you if you're patient enough. You gotta be patient. I know, like when I saw this shooter here, I expected this thing to pull back a little bit, so I shorted this stock for like a day. Now keep in mind, there was absolutely no way that I was going to Try to trade it back down here for a gap fill. Nope, nope, nope. This level right here that you see, this purple line, that references the monthly high. Okay, the high for the month, the monthly target right here. Should actually be, um, if I can get it to work here, hold on. This should actually be the width too, a thicker line to let me know that this was a monthly target right here for the month. See that? That was a monthly target, 49.42. And if you look at the daily right there, you'll see the crosshairs move to let me know that's 49.42. That's understanding the big picture right here. That if and when we come back to this 49.42, I'm looking for potential buyers to step in. And look at what they did. They stepped in and they took this back up into full time frame continuity. So every morning I have a scan where I come in here and you're going to see quickly, and I can prove this to you on this full time frame continuity scan, just within my basket. Oh, that's down. My bad. Wrong one. Full time frame continuity up. Look at that. Solid green to the right. So if you want to study better, this is a good place to start because this is where you want to take a look at what is setting up and what isn't. Like I said, quick video on full time frame continuity to the upside, and then you also can do this to the downside. If you have any questions, please join us in the Discord server, get educated, and learn what full time frame continuity can do for you. I hope you enjoyed this. Talk to you later.